Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. If you're new, if you're old, welcome back. In today's video, I am just doing this short makeup session. I just decided to turn on my camera because I'm like, you know what? I'm trying to be more consistent. So I filmed this, I try to do a smoky shadow kind of look, like smoky eyeliner shadow look. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.